we are going to conduct an analysis on data which has been sourced from Planeta Official. So the data set consists of Bulgarian pop folk songs, which are also known as chalga. It is a dance genre stemming from ethnopop and has a few hints of oriental rhythms and instruments. Pandas Profiler has successfully created a profile for our data set. Let us take a close look. So here we have number of variables, number of observations. We have some missing cells or missing values, which are 5, and the missing cell percentage is less than 0.1%. Duplicate rows, we have 2 of them, and the duplicate row percentage is 0.3%, which is 12 of them, and categorical. Now we'll check out reproduction. This just gives us information about the time. Then we have warnings. First of all, it says that our data set contains duplicates, but these are just 2 rows which have been duplicated, so we can drop them during our analysis. Next, we have track ID, which has a high cardinality. This simply means that there are a lot of unique values within the attribute track ID, which will not cause an issue in our current analysis, so we don't need to worry about that right now. It appears to be the same with artist 1 and artist 2, and track name. Now it tells us that track ID is uniformly distributed. Now popularity, we are warned that there are quite a few zeros, 59 of them in total. Then we are told that instrumentalness has 0 values, about 375 of them. Next, we can see that each variable has been intricately described. Take a quick look through these statistics so you can see how elaborate Pandas profiling is as compared to the basic commands that we normally use. Then we have correlations such as Pearson's correlation, Spearman's correlation, Kendall's correlation, Fick's correlation, and Kramer's correlation. Let's move on to interactions. Now Pandas profiling does generate a few visuals on its own, which is okay to get an initial idea of what the data is all about, but I highly recommend creating your own visualization. Then we have the missing values. We can see that across all the bars in the bar chart, we have 612 values, but the column time signature has only 607 values. That is where the missing values are. And we can see it in a matrix format or a dendrogram, whichever we find easier to understand. Next comes sample. First 5 rows, the last row, and the exact duplicate rows. I'm Vinita Sopersetti, and I will be your instructor for this workshop on EDA using Python. Join me on Saturday, the 18th of July from 3:30 p.m. to 4 p.m. Enjoyed it? If you would like to connect with me on social media, just Google my name or look for @Vinita Sopersetti on Facebook, Medium, and Quora.